Business started about 4 months ago, so it's brand new essentially, but we just got going. We got going first on the hat side of doing custom hats, getting Chattanooga introduced to the concept of offering that service. And then we knew that we were bringing in jewelry, so we were teasing people with, Instagram posts about the permanent jewelry coming, which also got people excited. And then here in Chattanooga around December, the first weekend of December, we always have a big festival called Maine by 24. And that's when we did our full formal launch of all services, the permanent jewelry and the custom hats. And Chattanooga just embraced it incredibly and is very excited about everything that we're bringing to the city. I love bringing experiences to people, so this is just an experience that we did not have here in Chattanooga, and so now we do. Always from the beginning, the genesis of the business always included permanent jewelry. It was something that I had considered a couple of years ago, adding on to a different business of mine. And then when I had the genesis and the conception of Arrow's Hat Company, it fit seamlessly into the plan for that business. So that's what we did. We just added it into that, folded it in from the very beginning. It was always going to be custom hats, permanent jewelry, and vintage denim from the jump. Come in, do a custom hat, and then also offer permanent jewelry as well. And it works beautifully. We have a beautiful space here. They love being able to come in and have an event here, whether it's a bridal shower, girls' night, even the fellas get in on it, come in, create their hats and get their jewelry and have it all in one space and not necessarily have to hunt someone down for a pop-up to have something done. What has worked for us really well is, depending on what we're promoting on social media, is what the draw will be in bringing people into our studio. But once they get in here and they realize that we offer either or, both offer options of services, the custom hats or the permanent jewelry, more often than not, it's an upsell on either one. So if they're coming in for permanent jewelry and they see the hats and they get really excited about the hats and they want a hat, if they come in for the hats and they see the permanent jewelry, then typically they're walking right over to my jewelry station and then now getting permanent jewelry as well. What we're looking at in the future is being able to add like some custom detailing to the hats in regards to the jewelry, adding on chain, things like that. So really tying the two of them together so they're more of a seamless connection between the two of them.